For some fortunate acharyas, they say, oh, this lila is there, let me meditate on this lila in my siddha swarup. And they go there. They enter that plane. As yogis can do astral travel, and they can leave their body in one place and they can travel to different planets. And if their body is connected by a subtle cord, it's a cord, like a string, some kind of string which connects subtly the gross body sitting in asana in a cave, and the subtle body which is traveling with the Atma to another planet. This is a great yoga city to go to other planets. So if the yogis can do that, what about the premi bhakti yogis? They're not interested in any jagat or planet or, let's say, grahan of this universe. They're interested in going into the inner layer of the highest state of consciousness, which is everywhere. They don't have to go anywhere. They can stay embodied within their own bodies.